Hi, I'm Jamie Spielman, the new research and data analyst for North State Together. What is North State Together, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. North State Together is a regional collective impact partnership funded by the local McConnell Foundation. It was formed in 2016 to be the backbone support for our 5-county region. At the time of formation, North State Together only had 2 collective impact cradle-to-career models that we supported because only 2 had been formed. And that was Reach Higher Shasta in Shasta County and Expect More Tehama in Tehama County. And in part, North State Together was formed because of the great work that those 2 county collaboratives were already doing. And so to expand, to grow, and to help support what they were doing, and then to grow it to the 3 other counties that we serve was kind of the primary initial purpose of North State Together. And so since 2016, when North State Together grant was approved and went on, a lot of great work has been done. And the 3 other counties, Modoc County, Trinity County, and Siskiyou County, have now their own cradle-to-career networks. And those are formed with a lot of people at the table that matter in those counties, whether it's businesses, administrators from K through 12. There's a lot of people sitting at those tables helping to make important decisions for the students of those communities so that they can have successful community members upon adult. So, I mean, a lot of great work has already happened and the counties have now formed. So the goal and the role of North State Together is to now support the beginnings work of the 3 new counties and to continue to grow the work of the other 2 counties and to share resources. So rather than, each of the counties has unique needs. Trinity County looks a lot different than, let's say, metropolitan Reading and Shasta County looks. So while there are different needs, and we recognize that, and they have to have autonomy in how they're building and growing and changing their communities, we do recognize that we can share resources. So if Modoc County is doing something great with their high school students for math success, then let's share that. And so North State Together has an advisory board from all of the county collaboratives that meet at least monthly, and then a lot of times meet individually with the counties as well to share what they're doing so that we can then help more model and support and roll those other things out. So that's the goal of North State Together, and that's the role of North State Together, is to provide resources and support for each of the counties to do the great work that they're doing, the changing work that collective impact can do, that no silo, no educational institution on its own or business on its own can change a community, but together they can change the outcomes that are happening with the students that go on to be the adult members of their community. So it's really huge changing. And then my role, of course, as research and data analysts is to ensure and to help support each of the counties, their data needs. So, to make decisions that are data driven. So first looking at baseline data and going, hey, do we even have a problem? Do we think we have a problem? We don't even have a problem at all. Or maybe there's this other problem that the data is telling us that we need to be looking at. Maybe the equity outcomes are different for a different population. So first pulling our baseline data and then going, hey, we need to change that. We need to do something different. And so the collaborative is going, okay, let's change something. Let's do something. Let's see if this works. And then implementing that and then pulling the data again and going, did it work? Did we have a significant difference based upon that change? And that's where the research and data analyst can help is, was it measurable? Are we really seeing results based on what we're implementing? And where are we at in the first place? So it's super exciting work. It's really changing our communities at such a grassroots level, like nothing else can do. Collective impact work can change things like no other work can do. And so I'm very excited to be a member of the North State Together team. And I look forward to the upcoming things and changes that occur on each of the county levels and in my own community for my daughter, who happens to be a 7-year-old in a local elementary school. And I've already seen some of the things that Reach Higher Shasta has implemented affect her. So it's super exciting work. I'm excited to be a part of it. a part of it, and I'm excited to do research and data. That's, you know, my cup of tea right there. So very excited. Thank you.
You finish it really good.